Hello, Andrew from andrew12tree.com. How are you? Now today we are going to show you how to create images for free for website banner images, social media, blog post features, featured images, video thumbnails, you name it. So stick around, we'll show you exactly how to do it straight after this. Okay, had to put the glasses on because I'll be reading the screen. So, go to canva.com, canva.com, and log in. Now, obviously, if you haven't got a account, you just need to quickly create an account. It's free. Right, as you can see here at the top, you've got several images you can choose from. So if you're looking for a social media, they're generally fairly large and square. Presentation, you can make Facebook covers in here, or you can do a custom dimension. Now, if you do that, okay, what we'll do is we will create a image for, say, a title for your blog post, for your website. So mine is 975 pixels by, say, 280 high. But you just check your dimensions. You can actually put them in there and then click design. If we walk through this, we will be able to, you'll have the knowledge to create any image you want. So first of all, give it a moment to load. Okay, first of all, backgrounds. No. You can search for images. So I'll just pick a landscape one. So type in landscape and search. Okay, I actually clicked on photos there and it comes up with a heap of photos down there. Many of them are free and they are all non-copyrighted. So just scoot down and we'll pick something that's free. And we'll click on this one here, whatever it is. So you drag the corners out to get out past the size of your image. Okay. So there's your image there. You've got some people on some icebergs. So you select what image you want. You can actually upload them as well if you've got a photo you've taken. On mine, I've got a photo of a mountain with the sun going down over it, which I took while I was on holidays sometime. So what you then want to do is maybe put some text on there. Okay, now here's the cool thing. You can get all sorts of pre-made logos and so forth on here. So depending on your niche and what target market you're going for and whether this is a social media post or not, but if this is a banner for your website, let's just try clicking this one. Okay, you might want to make that a different color, move it over the other, no, leave it in the middle because we'll put an image over here. So then you can go in and edit the text. You can say, put your name in there. Okay. And say my, I'll just put business or something. You can fiddle with it and then click on the third there. Okay. Well, let's change the color on that one. So you click on the little color button. If you want to choose more, basically you can do that. Okay. Enter. Now let's see how it looks. You know, you can fiddle around with the fonts, the color. You know, you might want to make that a bit bigger. So you click on that there, go 21, there we go. All right, so we're happy with that. I'm not, we're just using this as an example. Now we want to actually put an image of yourself in there. So I'll go over to uploads, and you see here I've got a couple of different images. Here's one with me standing in front of a fence or something, right? You can see there how it's got all this blue around the background, which looks really tacky. So we'll delete that, and we'll grab another one of me, which is a PNG file. You can see there that you can see the actual landscape behind you, and you can actually make that a bit bigger. Move it over, so there we go. See, that doesn't look too bad, does it? Now, here's the thing. How do you create a PNG file? All right, now I'll whiz back over to a website called pixlr.com, Pixlr.com. Now, if you're watching this straight on YouTube, in the top corner there'll be a link to go over to my blog, where I'll put all these links below so you can easily access it. So here we are in Pixlr. Cancel. We want to open an image from computer. Okay, and then I'll grab any image here just to give you an example. You can see me with a cheeky, stupid looking grin there. Now, the first thing you need to do is see over here in background. If you double click on the little lock, there'll be a tick there, which means you can then edit the layer. Okay, so you can click on the wand tool, and if there's just white behind you, then it'll work. But I'll show you what it does. Because there's a wall there with different colors, the dancing ants go all over the place. Okay, so that's not going to work. So see the dancing ants? What it tries to do is run around the outside of your perimeter, but it can't. So we'll go Control Z and get rid of that. Okay, we're back to there. Now, if you go to the lasso tool, click on that. Now, I'll do a very quick one. So you can sort of draw around yourself and loop around, and it'll come up with the dancing ants. Now, if you press delete, see how it's got the no background? Okay. So now a little trick, you can wheel your mouse in and out. So if you want to go in a bit closer, you can actually do that. Now, if you want to move the photo, you can actually use the pointing tool and just move it around. So we'll do that. Hang on. We'll do that. Now we'll get the lasso tool again. We'll go down here, very rough, okay. Press delete. We'll scoot in, go to the moving tool. Go back to the lasso tool, loop around there, press delete. Okay, we'll come back out, grab the tool, lasso. Now obviously you'll take a lot more care than what I just did. I've chopped my head off. Oh, see how I tried to loop around? It's going to cut across my head. So we'll Control Z to get rid of that, and we'll try again. Go to the lasso tool. So what you do is you just chip away at it. Okay. Okay, very poorly done. We'll scoot over here because there's a bit left over there. Lasso tool. Loop around it. Press delete. Okay. Now you go File, Save. Here we go. You want it to be saved as a PNG, Portable Network Graphic, which allows you to have the grey around it. Okay, so we'll go Save, and that should take us to where we can put it. I'll put it on the desktop for now. Save. Close. Alright, then we can come back to Canva. We'll delete that one. I'll just upload this. So we'll go upload your own image. Then we'll go to desktop, where we put it. Are we in desktop? There it is there. So we open. We'll give it a moment while it uploads. Okay, there it is there. It's pretty bad. But as you can see, I've got it the wrong direction, but you can see in there that there's no background behind it. So if you take a bit of care and really blow the picture up and cut it out and pop it in there, you can do it. Now, you go to File, Save, and that saves it into your system. Then you go Download, and you can download as a JPG. So click that. So they prepare your design briefly. Okay. You click there to download. Now you can save file, or you can open it with another program. So you go save file, and that puts it in your downloads file. So if you click that, you can see there it is there. If you click the little folder, it'll take you to where it is, and then highlight it. There it is. So you can preview, and it'll show you there's the banner you made. So that's how you do it. Okay, so again, pop over to my website and get the other links, and until then, it's Andrew out. Bye bye.